One of the easiest ways to make money online is by doing simple and easy tasks, and nothing is simpler than copying and pasting. Now, this is very basic and easy to do. It's probably the most frequently used keyboard shortcut that I use, and honestly, I've done it so many times. Now, there are methods out there which you can also earn from by just copying and pasting. But this is an entirely new method that hasn't been really talked about yet, and you can even do this as a beginner. No problem. It's super simple, there are no skills required and no monetary investments needed. That's right, this method is 100% free. In this video, I will be showing you exactly how you can do this, so you can start earning money using this method right here after watching this video. But before we start, hey guys, and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Please also give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any questions, you can leave a comment down below. We answer each and every single comment. Now, let's get back to the video. The platform that we're going to be using today is called Vocal Media. Now, this is a super versatile platform which has tons of different articles on a huge variety of topics, which is really awesome because that's going to give you so many opportunities to make some money online. The website itself already gets a lot of traffic, and it even has the feature that will allow you to create your own stories or articles to be posted on their platform, and you can start to earn money using that. You can paste links and not have to worry about any of it getting removed. You can even get paid for posting articles on this platform, and I'll be showing you a demonstration of how you can start to do this in just a second. So what you want to do first is create an account on this platform. You can do that by simply clicking on Join button right here. You can very easily make an account by filling out the details right over here, or you can sign up using one of the existing accounts on another platform. I'm going to do this with my Google account, and just like that, you've created your very own Vocal Media account. Congratulations guys, you've just completed step 1. For those of you who are paying attention, let me know if you've completed step 1 by leaving a comment down below that says step 1 completed. And you are now one step closer to earning money online. Make sure you watch until the very end of the video so that you can definitely start to earn money with this method, okay? Now, let's talk about different kinds of articles that you can post on this platform. So if we click on this icon right here, you can see that it's going to bring out the different types of categories or the different types of niches that you can create articles on. Now let's have a look at these categories. So let's say that we want to check out the photography category. Now that's going to bring you right over here where you can find a lot of different articles and stories about photography. Some of these posts actually have affiliate offers or programs that the article creator can actually earn from, and if you click on any of those stories, it will lead you to the full article that you can read. So I've opened up this article right here. Now this is an article entitled "You Are Your Values and Your Beliefs," and you can find this under the motivation category. Now, the reason I'm showing you this particular article, guys, is that you can scroll down to the bottom of this article and you'll see that this person has placed 2 links at the bottom of the article. Now, the first link is to show where the post was originally created. The second link shows a product that he is actually promoting. If you click on that product link, you'll see that it leads you to this website which he is promoting so that he can monetize traffic from this post. But if you notice on the first link, this right here tells us that he didn't come up with this article himself. The link is showing where he originally got the article from and is making sure to give credits to the original author at the end of his post, because he's not claiming that this article is his. And this is actually what you're going to be doing for this method. Now, I'll actually be going to give you a step-by-step demonstration on how you can do this so that you can follow along or start using this method right after this video. Now that we've covered the introduction, we need to talk about the content and links and where we can get these affiliate links. Well, I like to use ClickBank. If you don't already have a ClickBank account, you need to make a ClickBank account because that's what actually going to track your earnings from the affiliate links. Now, once you have your account all set up, you can now start to look for affiliate links on their marketplace page. They have several categories that you can choose from. Since in this video I'm going to be marketing an article that falls under the motivational category on Vocal Media, I want to find a product affiliate link that can relate to the article that I'm going to make. For that, I'm going to head into the spiritually new age and alternative beliefs category here on ClickBank. And as you can see, a bunch of different results pop up under this category, all at very different price ranges. And I'm just going to go ahead and filter the results, and I'm going to click on Gravity. So here we have this product called Soul Manifestation. So to get the affiliate link for this particular product, we need to click on the promote button. Now, as you can see, another window is going to pop up for you to generate a hop link, and you're going to insert this link into your article. You can just copy that and paste it onto a Google Docs document for now, because before we insert this link into an article, we're going to first need that article, right? And as I showed in the example earlier, you can just copy and paste and lightly rephrase articles that you find online. Always make sure that you give credit to the original post. But wait, before we continue this video, I would like to tell you guys that we post videos every single day, and they show methods on how to make money online on this channel, EarnPal. The goal of EarnPal is to help you create an automated passive income stream from online methods. I put a lot of efforts into these videos just to make sure that each and every one of these methods are working properly. So I would really appreciate it, guys, if you stop and subscribe, also hit the notification bell, and it wouldn't hurt to leave a like and comment down below because that helps us tremendously. Now let's get back to the video. So what I like to do is go on to Google, and I find several different articles under this niche. And I'd like to do a quick read of these articles just so I can identify which article would best support the product that I'll be promoting. For me, that's this article right over here, and I'm just going to copy that and paste it onto my Google Docs. And I'm also going to copy the URL link for this article and put that into the document as well. On your Google Docs, you should now have a copied article, the URL to that original article, and an affiliate link. Now, of course, you're going to want to create a title, something that's catchy and direct to the point. I've already created the title. You have the power to manifest your own destiny, and I'm going to use that for my article. And now we can move on to the article itself. Before placing this on Vocal Media, you want to tweak it a little bit. And you also want to find a way to fit in your affiliate link into the article. For the tweaking part, you can always just use a third-party service such as Spinball, or you could just do some paraphrasing yourself. Once you've done that, you want to remember to credit the original article at the bottom of the article. I've done a combination of both, and my articles are now ready for me to use. So now that you have your article and you have your affiliate link, you can now start to create your post on Vocal Media. So on the homepage of your Vocal Media account, we want to click on Create a Story button, which can be found when you click on your profile icon right here on the upper right corner. And that's going to bring you to this page here, where you can start building your article. Now, this is very simple and easy to use, guys. Simply copy and paste the appropriate content from your Google Docs onto this page. To incorporate images into your post, you can click any of the options right here. I will just use Unsplash because these are royalty-free images that the platform will allow us to use. So to search for an image, you can just type in the keyword right here, and that will automatically give you several images that you can use. You can copy and paste your article from Google Docs into this area right here, and this is the most important step that I'm going to show you. Now, this is how to insert your affiliate link into your article. It's super simple. I like to present the link as a CTA, or a call to action button. Learn about your soul manifestation today, and I'm going to highlight this, and options are going to pop up. Click on the chain link icon and insert the URL link that you got from ClickBank. Click on the add icon, and that's it. The same goes for the text you wanted linked to the original article. Highlight the text that you wanted to link, copy the URL, and paste it on the chain link icon, and then click the add button. After putting in all the parts of your article, you can now click Save Changes once you've seen a preview of your article and you're happy with how that looks. You can now hit submit for review. Once your article has been reviewed by the website, they will then post your article onto their platform. And that's it. This is 100% free. You can do this with no required skill, and it's going to be 100% passive. It's going to generate money even after you forget about it. And you can even do this if you're a complete beginner. And that is the end of our video today. Before we go, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell so that you will be notified when we post a new video, which is every day. Smash the like button and leave a comment down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video as always.